guys, welcome to Tech Category, the civil engineers and the architects. So in today's session, we are going to see how to place doors in our model. So for example, this is our model number 7, which is placement of doors. We have completed multiple models before, which were regarding the user interface, then starting with the project, creating the grids, creating walls, and creating floors, roofs. So if you have missed this, please make sure that you watch these videos and come to this video now. Do like our channel, which help us to reach people like you who are smart enough to learn things from YouTube. Do subscribe and share our channel to the people who are looking for the same tutorial videos. Now let's get started. So eventually, if you see this 3D, which we have learned in our last session or the last module, to place the roof. So in this same project, we are going to see how to place the door. So you have to go into the level 0, go into the architectural tab, door DR, and just place the doors. So to place the door in the desired direction, you just have to move your cursor like this, which will eventually place the door at the desired direction. And from here, if you select the door, you can see the properties of the door where you can change the levels, you can change the slide. So we'll see in 3D. So this is the door which we have placed recently. Select this and give the slide 300 mm. So eventually it will go up. So it's the same for windows. In the next module, we are going to see how to place the windows, which is our model number 8. So as of now, I believe that you have understood the placement of the door, which is very easy. If you have any doubts, just comment down in the comment box so that we can resolve your doubts. And do like, share, and subscribe. Till then, take care.